Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Right now, as usual, let's take a look on the gold market. In the gold market, as you can see, price mostly confirms our idea of the deeper retracement. On the daily chart and on the intraday charts, the drop that we have suggested right at 1255 area has happened. And on the daily chart, you can see that scale of retracement is gradually growing. So right now, market has completed the minor harmonic swing of the retracement. It's approximately equals to this retracement down and has reached the first fib support 1257 approximately, and gradually it is entering in this consolidation. So this previous top resistance, then was the consolidation. Right now it will work as a support. So currently gold definitely feels some lack of the driving factors, that the geopolitical tensions has brought some relief. It's come down a bit around the North Korea, although the plane carrier is moving to the North Korea area, but it's really no steps have been met yet in making situation hotter, and that's why it's probably a bit some frozen process in this conflict. On the front selection, is also nothing's clear, so it's probably market will wait for second round in the weekend. On the current week, we will get some important data, so it will be a Fed meeting that starts today, and also non-farm payrolls that we will get. So that's why it's also could shake market a bit. But in general, guys, we think that the geopolitical tensions and twisting and turning in the geopolitical sphere will be the major driving factor in this year, and we think that it will overcome any headwinds from the financial sphere, from any Fed Reserve hiking rates or something of that sort. Besides, we think that our position is that the Fed will let the economy to become hotter before it will press by the gradual rate hiking. So we think that Fed will raise rate in the June, but after that, it's next round of the rate hiking could start only in 2018. Anyway, currently, as you can see, recent data that we will get from the United States statistics not really stable, and that also makes Fed Reserve take caution steps in rate hiking. That's why we think that, shortly speaking, that the Fed steps will not be so pressing on the gold market as it was suggested initially. Also, guys, on the daily chart, as retracement becomes deeper, but we said that it's not really the strategy, because even retracement to the 1230 area will be just a minor 3-8 retracement of our A, B, C, bottom, D pattern. So this retracement will be absolutely normal for current situation. So after hitting the minor target, just 3-8 retracement is absolutely normal action. So that's, if market will break through this area, this will be next support. But for the bullish perspective, it would be nice if market will stuck in this inside of this consolidation. So also here you can see this will be the monthly pivot support one. So if market will, for example, reach even the pivot support one, but stuck in this consolidation of the previous top in this consolidation, that will be better for the bullish sentiment. So in this case, chance on upward action will be better. Besides, as was just discussed in our Euro currency daily video, it's really not clear yet the results of the front elections. So price could happen. It means that if Le Pen will win the elections, the gold market could get really strong driving factor in the short-term perspective, and upward action really could continue. But before that, in the current week, we think that retracement gradually will continue to the downside. It's maybe market will coil somewhere around monthly pivot support one. Mostly because from the geopolitical point of view, the France is another vote in the United Nations Security Council. And if Le Pen will take the victory, it not necessarily mean that France will support the United States idea on the some steps in the direction of the North Korea. So this will be also important. Although maybe this is the secondary factor, it's not very important, but still, it's probably hardly any operation will start before the France elections will be over. That's just my thoughts. So that's what we'll have on the daily chart. On the intraday charts, guys, on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that market has completed our 1618 target that we have specified last week. And what is more important, take a look, market is breaking right now the confidence support, 1257, 1260 area. So maybe some minor retracement here is possible, but in general, this breakout looks bearish and significantly increased chance of the downward continuation. So maybe market will take the shape here, some kind of the large A, B, C, D pattern, something of that sort could happen. We will see. On the hourly chart, price action takes the shape of the downside channel. Here's butterfly has been formed yesterday, but this drop, as you can see, was really fast, right to the 1618 target, and it means that the probably downward direction should continue. So currently, guys, I think that there's no real reversal signs we see. I think we should wait a bit more with the taking the long position. Do not go long yet right now. Besides, take a look, market has dropped below the weekly pivot support line, and it tells that it's not just retracement within the long-term bull trend, but this could become short-term bearish trend here is developing, and also it confirms the idea of the possible downward continuation on the daily chart. But in general, overall price action looks rather gradual. Do not see really some miserable plunges here. So, and that supports an idea that probably, although this retracement could be deeper, but it's still retracement. So let's keep watching as more driving factors will appear, and as we will see some clear reversal pattern on the intraday charts that could become the background for taking the long position. We definitely will let you know in our videos.